Hello, everyone. You might think clearing large overgrown areas is a tedious, back-breaking chore, but I'll demonstrate how to craft a motorized weed cutter that makes quick work of any green menace. I'm going to show you an incredible transformation, taking this common garden sickle into something truly powerful and efficient. I'm starting with a sturdy garden sickle. I'm going to measure it and then prepare the blade for modification. This precise measurement helps ensure an even cut later. Now, using an angle grinder, I'm carefully sharpening the blade. This is a critical step because a very sharp edge is essential for effective cutting, allowing it to slice through weeds with ease. Next, I repeat the process of marking the sickle and then cutting it into separate curved pieces. These pieces will form the core of the new rotating cutting head, which helps create a wide cutting edge. I'm taking these 3 sharpened sickle pieces and arranging them around an old circular saw blade. This combination will create a robust and aggressive cutting mechanism, perfect for dense weeds. Now it's time for some welding. I'm carefully welding each of the 3 sickle pieces to the central saw blade. I'm making sure each weld is strong and secure, because this part will be spinning at high speeds, and safety is paramount. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. After welding, I chip off the welding slag. This step cleans the weld joint and helps me inspect the quality of the weld, ensuring it's free from imperfections. Then, I'm using an angle grinder to smooth out the welded areas. This not only makes the cutter head look cleaner, but also removes any rough edges that could snag or cause imbalance during operation. Don't forget to wear your safety gear. I'm preparing 2 equal lengths of square metal tubing, each 45 centimeters long. These will form the base of our new weed cutter's chassis, providing a strong and stable foundation. Using my drill, I'm precisely drilling holes into these metal bars. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. I'm now welding the metal bars together to form a rectangular frame. This frame will house the motor and provide the structural integrity for the entire device. With my tape measure, I'm carefully marking out the center points on the frame. This precise marking is essential for mounting the axle in the exact middle, ensuring balanced weight distribution and smooth operation. I'm now placing a long metal shaft, which will act as our axle, onto the marked spots on the frame. I'm welding the shaft securely to the frame. I'm focusing on creating strong, even welds to ensure the axle can withstand the stresses of operation without bending or breaking. After welding, I clean the weld spots on the shaft. This removes any slag and spatter, leaving a smooth finish and allowing for a clear inspection of the weld quality. I'm welding an additional small metal support bar to the main shaft. This piece will provide crucial stability for the motor mount, preventing wobbling and ensuring the motor stays firmly in place. And once again, I'm cleaning the freshly welded area. Now for the mobility. These wheels will allow us to easily maneuver the weed cutter across various terrains. I'm sliding the two wheels onto the ends of the axle. Proper tightening ensures the wheels won't wobble or come loose during use, making the device safe and reliable. I'm preparing my angle grinder by removing its standard grinding disc. Now, I'm attaching the custom sickle cutter head we made earlier directly to the angle grinder. This is where our cutting power comes from. It's a precise fit to ensure stability. I'm carefully mounting the modified angle grinder, which is now our cutting engine, onto the metal frame. I'm securing the angle grinder with nuts and bolts, making sure it's tightly fastened to the frame. This rigid connection is essential to transfer the motor's power to the blades effectively and safely. To add an extra layer of security and prevent any vibration, I'm using heavy-duty cable ties to reinforce the angle grinder's position on the frame. This ensures everything stays put even when the blades are spinning rapidly. I'm now attaching a long metal pole to the front of the frame, which will serve as the handle. This provides the leverage needed to push and guide our weed cutter. After welding the handle, I'm giving the weld spots a quick clean. A smooth finish here makes the handle comfortable to grip and use. For the power source, I'm carefully installing a rechargeable battery. Finally, I'm connecting the battery to the angle grinder, completing the circuit. This battery will provide the necessary energy for our angle grinder to operate as a weed cutter. Now our homemade motorized weed cutter is ready for action. Our incredible multifunctional weed cutter, made from a simple garden sickle and an angle grinder. Watch as I demonstrate its power. See how it effortlessly slices through these stubborn weeds? It's amazing how a little ingenuity can transform everyday items into such useful tools. If you enjoyed this project and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other unexpected tools you'd like to see me create. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.